Hello, welcome back to my channel. My name's Jim and this is Southwest Florida Scale Model Builders. Today I'm going to unbox my next build. Tomorrow or Friday I will reveal the final on the 55 Chevy. Came out really nice. Without further ado, I'm going to bring you over to the overhead and we will unbox this car. Okay, here we go. AMT's 1967 Chevelle Pro Street. I really wish it wasn't a Pro Street, even though I really like Pro Streets. I wanted to build this like a car that I grew up around back in the early 70s. And but it is what it is. I wasn't able to find one. Let's get her unboxed. Back where I grew up in Philadelphia, Pennsylvania, back in the early 70s, we had, I was lucky to grow up in the muscle car era. And one of the older guys had a, just like this, gold 67 Chevelle, which it was a 396 car originally, and had a black gut. And he went through a lot of engines a long time, I know. He had a 427 in there for a long time, and it was a 4-speed car. And let's get her open. Box shows you right here. Headers, big slicks, tubbed out. Looks like a 4-link maybe. Big block tunnel ram. Alright, here's the chrome tree. Looks pretty nice. It's got wheelie bars. Rims I probably will not use. These are just too outdated looking. Otherwise it looks pretty good. I may actually use the kit engine for a change. We'll see. Not a whole lot in here. Let's open the wheels first. Alright, so it comes with some nice, look like Mickey Thompson. There's nothing on them, but they're actually nice tires. Nice wide street tires. Also comes with a set of Goodyear slicks. They're nice. And a couple of skinnies. They're actually nice tires. Here's the glass. It comes with just front and rear and tail lights. See the body to last. Kind of an off-white in color instead of just a pure white body. All right, let's see. The hood, which I'm not going to cut out. I don't think I'm going to put the tunnel ram on it. Front A-arms, suspension, drive shaft, firewall, the radiator support with radiator on it. Here's the radiator here, actually. Big block Chevy, hood hinges. Brake booster. Interior is very sport. The steering wheel's already off. Let me take that off before it gets broken. There's the steering wheel. Dashboard, a little bit of flash inside of the wheels. Interior is made to look like it's been all done with aluminum. Hood scoop. Like I said, I'm not going to be using the hood scoop as far as I know. And the rest of the interior. Two nice bucket seats, a little bit of flash on them, rear diff. This is for the rear suspension, headers, and actually this is probably for the roll bar. It's even got a parachute. And that's it. There's not a whole lot of parts. Like I said, I don't know if I may use the stock engine. I don't know. Let's get her open. See what the body looks like. All right, let's look at the chassis first. Chassis fits in very tight. It's not bad. It's pretty clean. Like I said, it's all tub set up for a 4-link. Not bad. Body, let's take a look real close. A little bit of cleanup flash on it here and there. Yeah, a little bit of cleanup. I like this body style a lot. Typical mold lines. Right here on both sides. Sharp edges on the fenders. This here comes out. And a little bit of cleanup here and there. Not bad. It won't take me that long to clean her up. Let's see what kind of decals it came with. All right, just came with a three different color side stripes for the body. A lot of license plates. That's pretty cool. SS license plates. There's some gauges. Not much. License plates are nice and clear. I don't know if you can see them or not. That's it as far as the decals go. Like I said, there's not a whole lot in this kit, but it should be pretty cool to build. I've got a couple of Iceman and MCW's 572 big block Chevys, which I may put one of them in here. I don't know, I may go with the box stock engine. Makes it easy on life putting it together. I'll just put a distributor on it and coil and things like that. And that's about it. The color will be, it's going to be gold, not because the box is gold, but because the one that I grew up around was gold, same color. This is MCW's, it's called G2 Tiger Gold. It is a Chevy and it's a Pontiac color. And this will be the color of the car. Interiors, because it's got like aluminum panels, I probably will do it silver. And seats and all, seats I'm not sure. Probably black, maybe red, maybe something different. And it'll have also MCW's clear enamel with hardener. And I guess that's about it for the unboxing. Like I said, there's not a whole lot. Looks like a pretty cool kit. I like the tires. I don't know if I'll use the slicks or not. I may use these tires. We'll see. And that's it for the unboxing. that's it for the unboxing of my next build. And let's see what else I got. I did get a shop card from Larry's Model Shop. So there's some nice things on the back, and he's got a really good website, not website, but YouTube site. Let me see if anybody else is right now. Nope, the rest of them I showed. If you're interested in my shop card, my email is on the YouTube, and just hit me up with your address. I'll send you a sticker and a shop card. And with that, I hope everybody's doing well. I am so happy I got back into this hobby, and well, I'm sorry I stopped building years ago, and now I'm very close to retirement. Going to be 72 in a month and a half, and still working 40 hours a week. I'm crazy, I know, and I've met a lot of really cool people online. It's really some community, and I'm down. Like I said, I'm down here in Southwest Florida, and I can't believe how many guys I've met that are in Florida that are involved in model building. I'm still building my big 1/8 scale cars. They're coming along nice. They're going to take a couple years to finish. It's a process. You got to be patient. And without that, that's about it for today. And like I said, I hope everybody's doing well. Enjoy building, and I will see you within a day or two. I'll have another video. Take care. Goodbye.